lovely speech, emotional from the heart. Thank you. So, we move ahead. The second speaker for this session will be Toastmaster Sapna. She'll be doing a project 1, which is icebreaker. We have to do the project will be helping her to begin speaking before an audience and to identify which areas require special emphasis. So I welcome Toastmaster Sapna. Please.
Hello. A very good evening, all of you. It's my first speech in Suchita Prakashan. Now, before 2 days, I'm thinking, should I take a initiative in this meeting? No. I'm not a good speaker. So, firstly, I have to stay and watch the others good speaker and learn from them. But after some time, I'm thinking, no. If they are, they can do good things, why not? Then I decided and take a chance in prepare a speech, which is icebreaker. Now, well, I'm here. Finally, I'm doing my icebreaker. Icebreaker is a short speech, series of speech of the Toastmaster, where a person can introduce ourselves, our own life to our class member. Now, I would like to introduce myself to our Toastmaster family members. My name is Sapna Sahu and I belong to Allahabad. I feel proud to be a Allahabadi because Allahabad is best known by the Sangam. Sangam is a combination of 3 rivers, the Ganga, Yamuna and the Saraswati. Ganga is a symbol of our holy heart and the depth of the Yamuna is a symbol of our depth of mind. And now we are talking about the Saraswati, like that. We have the qualities, but didn't we so of it? Yeah, I have that qualities and that qualities. Now, I would like to introduce my family background. My father is a Mr. Rajen Kumar Sahu. He is a businessman, and my mother name is Mrs. Manju Sahu. She is a housewife. And you can also say that she is a home engineer because she always busy in re-engineering the things like revealing the knitting the sweaters in a different ways and different ideas. I'm too nervous. Sorry. Okay. I'm nervous. Oh, let's try now. Now I'm talking about my other family members. I have one elder brother and one elder sister. Both are married, and I have one youngest brother. And he is also always fighting with me, but he is more sincere than me. I'm too nervous. I think I'm too nervous because sir is sitting in front of me. I'm too nervous.
But I appreciate you like anything. You can keep on talking. I appreciate it.
Please go ahead now. It's lovely to listen to you.
Yes. Thank you.
Please.
Oh, you carry on. Now I would like to tell about my academic background. I did my schooling from DP Girls Inter College, Allahabad, and after that I did my graduation from Jagat Girls Degree College, and my subject was geography and sociology. Geography is my favorite subject, but I didn't. Sorry, I don't want to say about that. Okay. Now I would like to share my professional background. I have done, after my completing my graduation, I take admission in a computer institute. There I did my 1-year computer diploma from FDET, 1-year computer diploma, which name is Professional Diploma in Computer Application and Programming. After that I decided to do MBA, and I cracked UPM CAT, and I got 444th rank in a DAT examination. And after that I took admission UGI, United Group of Institution, where I have completed my MBA from United Institute of Management, Islamabad. My specialization was dual, HR as a major and marketing as a minor. And after that, it's a very pleasure for me. I have done my summer internship from NTPC Rehan Sonbhat. My project title was the Procurement System in NTPC Rehan. Now I would like to tell about my work experience. I have worked as a HR consultant in Unitas Manpower Consultancy, and after that now I'm working as a Suchita Prakashan from 1st of December 2011 till date, where I learn many things like how to deal with the fellow workers, how to deal with the customer, how to deal with the problems, how to manage several tasks at a time, and mainly how does the organization run smoothly. Okay. Now I would like to tell about how I become a Toastmaster member. It's an opportunity which gave me a better to be a part of a Toastmaster, and I'm very grateful to be a part of a Toastmaster. Toastmaster provides us a platform where we can enhance our communication as well as leadership skills. So then I would like to be a part in the future, and I'm very grateful to serve, being a part of the Toastmaster and others members who are supporting to us all in company as well as here. And in future also I will be a part of Toastmaster. Thank you. I'm too much nervous.